Hi friends, here is Imran Khan, admin of Islam Tech, and here today I am going to teach you how to disassemble the Infocus M370i mobile. Okay, this is M370i Infocus. So here you can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 screws. So we have to unscrew all the screws first. So after we have unscrewed the mobile, take the opener and open this mobile like this. Oh, unscrew it. Open this strip. Remove the strip like this, and this is the charging board. Remove this one, remove this strip. Remove the board. Now you can find a strip here. Remove this one. Remove this side track also. Now here, this is the method how to disassemble the MI Infocus M370i mobile. Thanks for watching this video friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.